Okay, we on the record in cause number 326446, State of Texas versus Amanda Keenan, and in cause number 326552, State of Texas versus Livia Lewis. Now, Ms. Lewis and Ms. Keenan, the paperwork that Ms. Keenan, would you please put your mask over your nose, please? Now, the paperwork that you have in front of you, the first paper or the document is titled Judge's Explanation of Rights to Defendant Without an Attorney. Do you see that? All right, I will go over this document with you. As a defendant in a criminal case, you have three options. Number one, you may hire an attorney. Number two, if you do not have enough money to hire an attorney, you may request an attorney be appointed to represent you. Number three, you may represent yourself. If you want an attorney to represent you and have enough money to hire an attorney, the case will be reset to give you time to do so. If you want an attorney and do not have the money to hire one, you will need to fill out a financial questionnaire so that the proper person can determine whether or not to appoint an attorney to represent you. You may not speak to the prosecutor about your case unless you sign a written waiver of your right to be represented by an attorney. Be aware that there are dangers to self-representation. Waiving your right to an attorney and representing yourself may result in a worse outcome for you and your case, including the loss of significant legal rights and opportunities relating to military service, possession of a firearm, housing and public benefits, child custody, immigration status for non-citizens, and employment. If you choose to proceed without an attorney, you may change your mind at any time and may request counsel from the court. Defendant's choice. Mark initials next to only one choice. If your choice is, I want to reset this case to hire my own attorney, then you'll put your initials on the first line to the left. If your choice is, I have hired an attorney whose name is, then you'll put your initials on the second line to the left and the name of the attorney on the line to the right. If your choice is, I want to apply for court-appointed counsel, then you'll put your initials on the third line to the left. If your choice is, I have a court-appointed attorney whose name is, then you will put your initials on the fourth line to the left and the name of the attorney on the line to the right. If your choice is, I want to waive my right to an attorney and represent myself, then you'll put your initials on the fifth line to the left. Once you have finished initialing one of the lines, then you will sign at the bottom of the document your name on the line that says defendant, and you will place today's date on the document, and today's date is December 11th of 2020. Okay, you may make your choice and sign the document. Sign and date the document.